Hello friends, happy Saturday from Bangladesh and welcome back to my another Clean Planet Wall. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. At you know I am Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, now I walking through village nature and uh, now I will try to collect polluted garbage plastic from the natural place of village. So friends, let's go. Cleaning mission start now. Just action. Friends, natural place, beautiful natural place of village. I saw here one, two plastic product, old plastic. So I collected this plastic product from here. Another plastic here. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম দেখেন friends, this plastic is really very bad for our village natural place. Friends, one more plastic is stuck in soil, so I collected this plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম দেখেন another plastic here. One more plastic is stuck in soil, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Friends, today I collected some polluted plastic from the village nature. Friends, we know this plastic is really very bad for our nature, green nature, village nature, our public place. So I always try to remove polluted garbage plastic from the natural place of village. Friends, now this garbage threw in village dustbin. Let's go friends. Friends, this is a village used dustbin. I threw this garbage in dustbin. Thank you so much friends. Friends, we know that polluted garbage and plastic bottle, old plastic is very bad for our people, our children, public place, our nature, our green nature. So I always try to remove polluted garbage plastic, old plastic from the natural place, public place, soils road, village road, another place. So friends, I will tell you let's all save our nature and natural place. Bye bye.